Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to invite people to an event on Facebook using your PC. So let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. From the left menu, click on Events. Step 3. From the left menu, click on Home, or wherever the event is. Step 4. Click on the 3 dots on the desired event. Step 5. Click on Invite. Step 6. Check the circles next to the desired people's names. Step 7. Finally, click on Send Invites. And that's it. You've successfully invited people to your event using Facebook on your PC. It's a quick and easy process that allows you to reach out to all your friends and acquaintances. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Also, feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.